Prefab and modular construction methods significantly speed up construction projects. However, projects require precise documentation to avoid expensive problems on the job site. With traditional CAD software, creating drawings and reports manually takes a lot of time and causes a lot of avoidable mistakes. This is why we've developed Vertex BD, an automated BIM software for wood and cold-formed steel construction professionals. Would you like to cut out repetitive, time-consuming tasks that slow down your work? In Vertex BD, when you make a change, all drawings and reports are generated automatically in seconds. We also made sure moving from other CAD software is easy. Vertex BD supports all common file types to get you started quickly. Simply drag and drop your existing layout or 3D model into Vertex BD, set your preferences, and let the program do the work for you. Quickly, you'll have an automatically generated, fully editable framing model ready to be manufactured. Also, with our software, you can streamline your production. Based on your Vertex BD data, a machine will cut pieces, create connections, and drill holes exactly as you've detailed. With automation, panels and modules are manufactured with the kind of quality, speed, and precision that can't be accomplished by traditional methods. Our list of over 30 compatible manufacturing systems is constantly growing. Are you ready to take your projects to the next level? We're offering you what tens of thousands of users believe is the right tool for the job. Get a risk-free trial of Vertex BD on our website today.